Good morning, traders. Welcome to Freedom with Forex. My name is Al. I'm the mentor and a senior trader at Elitecapital. In this video, I'll be closing partial of my trades that have been open since last week or so, and I will also be doing a midweek FX market analysis. So let's get started. So the first pair I have in front of me is pound to New Zealand. So this pair has been open since I think about 9-10 days and is up by 629 pips. So I'll be doing I think half of the position that I think I should be closing. So let's do it right now. So our original position was 0.20, so let's just close 0.10. That's it. Beautiful. So that's been done. So I have taken half of my position, and my original take profit is actually was there, but I actually put it down over here and to 200 SMA, and we'll see what happens. Next that I have is pound Australian dollar. So on pound Aussie, similar kind of situation, 430 pips up. Because yesterday or this morning market closed to below day before yesterday's green, so there is a really good chance market will still rally up, but I want to take half of my position out of it. 437 pips, I'm not really complaining. So let's close pound Australian dollar, if I can find it at the below. Pound Australian dollar, here it is. So let's go ahead. Okay, so let's close let's say 0.08. No, sorry, yeah, 0.8 instead of 10. Okay, so I've taken almost 40% out of this position. The next one is euro pound. Euro pound is 59 pips profit. Market is closed on green this morning, but I'm going to actually hold on to this. But however, this is a little bit bigger lot size, as you can see, 0.40. So I'll be doing. Let's just close 0.20%. What is it? Euro pound. So let me just find the euro pound. Euro pound. Okay. So I'm going to close 20. All right. Okay. Next one is USD Singapore dollar. I'm in loss, minus 16 pips at the moment. I will be holding this, obviously. I'm not gonna do anything. There's a really good chance market will probably stop me out, but that's okay. I'm okay with that if that were to happen. But this would probably come around here. It might shoot up again, so we'll see what happens. USD yen. I haven't got the position open yet. I was hoping to market to retrace before I enter on the buy side, so I'm still waiting for that. So euro yen, I haven't got a position open. I'll be looking into sell maybe next few days time. I'm just waiting for market to slow down a bit and give me a sign for buyer to get weaker. Until then, I'll just keep watching this market. New Zealand USD. Okay, so New Zealand USD is slightly in profit. This trade could end up actually in loss. Depends how the market behaves, but at this stage I'm not gonna do anything. I'm just gonna keep it as it is. We'll see what happens. Let the market decide. Aussie yen, I'm on loss, minus 43 pips. Market is crawling up, as you can see, last few days. We'll see what happens. Australian dollar and USD. So as an Aussie USD, I'm on plus 35 pips profit. Market has actually closed above than DBP yesterday. So this is on how many lot size? 0.20, which is not a really big lot size. I'm just gonna keep it and watch it for the next couple of 1-4 hour charts, see what happens. Pound yen on 291 pips profit. Let's actually close 0.10% on pound yen as well. Okay, this is pound yen. I'm gonna close 0.10, hit close, that's it. So I took half of the position out of it. As you can see now, it was 0.20, now it's 10. And then pound USD haven't got a trade on. Last 2 days market is actually there's a lot of fight between buyers and sellers. For me, I'm just gonna sit back and watch it. I don't have any strong signals, so I'm not gonna do anything to this pair. Euro USD, this is getting interesting now, to be honest. I actually sold it on last hour on Friday. Market was going down. On 4-hour chart, on 50 SMA, market is found supports, is going up. Market will probably hang around this area next few days before it makes its final move either up or down. Until then, I'll be holding this. USD CAD minus 44.6 pips profit. No, sorry, loss. This will probably get stopped out in any minute. As you can see, I'm right on the on the death zone. So how many pips away from the stop out? About 6 pips away. So it will get stopped out for sure. What went wrong? What went wrong in this trade? Actually, obviously this is a downtrend. I bought this because market was slowing down and this green candle gave me a buy signal, but again this happened, so I just have to suck it up and take the losses. Is there any chance market will go up? I don't know. I'm only 6 pips away, so I'm not hyping this trade to survive, so let the market decide. Okay, and the Euro New Zealand, I haven't got a trade open yet, so market is slowing down. If I open the 4-hour chart, its market is slowing down a little bit, but I don't think it's ready for sale yet. I have to watch this market next few days before I make a decision on this one. New Zealand CAD on 141 pips profit. What should I do? Do you think I should take some of the profit and leave the rest? How many pips away from my original take profit? That's another 240 plus pips away. I was hoping this market probably go down from my original entry about 380 pips, so I will be holding these positions. If I see the on 4-hour chart market is closing, on strong buy side, I'll probably close half of my positions. Otherwise, I'll probably keep holding. We'll see what happens, because on daily chart is closed very strong. You can see that. So that was my selling point. So next on I have USD franc. This market is turning out to be a nightmare again. Went up around this area and shot back down. So I got a small position open, 0.2%. So I'm going to close this position right now, and if the market comes around here, I'll buy again. And my original buy, which was 0.40, is still on loss. So that's, for me, it is still a bit of worry. Okay, well, we'll see what happens. So I'm gonna close, but if I open a 4-hour chart, this is happening. This is just a retrace. If I'll probably actually close half of this instead of closing all of it. Let's just take some of the profit and see what happens. So where am I now? Pound USD franc. Let's just find USD franc. Where is that bad boy? USD franc. Sorry if you. Okay, that was the original losses. Okay, here it is. So it's not really a big amount. It's only $151 in profit. So anyway, so I'm gonna take half of the position, 0.10, and leave the rest. So if at least were to come around this side, I get break even. I'm not in loss. So this trade will be like a risk-free. If I were to come around here, I'll probably make some money. So next one I have is pound franc. I'm on 149 pips profit at the moment. So this, as you can see, daily closed below day before yesterday. I should probably close half of it, but if I look at our chart, there has been actually a lot of fight, as you can see. So that actually tells me the sellers not really that strong. Okay. And another point to notice is that all the SMA 50, 100, and 200 are actually on the perfect direction. Okay, so that is a sign of market or is about to turn around. Okay, so for that reason, I know the daily is closed below day before green. I am going to keep this opened, okay, and see what happens, because I have closed almost all my pound position to the hub, so it's okay if I leave this opened. Aussie CAD, 117 pips profit at the moment. I won't be doing anything to this purely because of this candle formation over here. If the market comes up around here next 2 days or 3 days, I'll probably close some of my position. Otherwise, I'll just keep holding this one. Euro franc, you are a mystery. I'm on 49 pips profit at the moment. Look how many days this market is just hanging around. See, that is just insane. If you look at the 4-hour chart, you'll see like this time it's 4 hour, man. Every candle is 4 hours. That's a lot of waiting, a lot of patience that one has to have. So okay, what is the decision on this? Nothing. I'm just gonna keep as it is at the moment. I'm not interested for 40 pips or 50 pips. I'll rather take a loss. The reason being is that when I make money, I'm gonna make a lot of money, and when I lose, I'm gonna lose a little bit. So that's the name of the game. So you will always make money end of the year, okay? Because you are looking a long-term, big, bad, fat profit. So that's why I'm not gonna do anything. What is the chances this one to go up around this area? I think it's pretty good chances, only because on daily chart, as you can see, market rally down is and just started to go up. But having saying that, this still can go down here. This happens all the time. But for some reason, if the market closes above this daily high, then it is actually a uptrend, beginning of uptrend. So for that reason, I'm just gonna hold that. Euro Australian dollar on 99 pips in profit. Okay, I think I should probably close some of the positions. Okay, it's purely because euro seem to be getting weaker. Okay, so for that reason, I'm going to close maybe 0.8, 0.7. Where is it? Euro Aussie. Let's find Euro Aussie. Sorry. Okay, this is the Euro Aussie. So the original position was 0.15. Wasn't a big loss. So I'm gonna actually do 0.07. Okay, about half of the trade. So I took the half of the trade, and then I'll just keep the rest. See what happens. Aussie New Zealand, nothing on this trade. I haven't opened anything. I don't see any reason to open a trade either side. I'm not interested. Frank yen. Frank yen, I still believe this is probably go up around here. Should I open a buy side? I'm not interested. On 4-hour chart, there may be some sort of sell side, but I think it's a bit risky for me. So I'm just gonna stay away from this. EuroCAD, man, this turned out to be pretty good, but unfortunately I haven't got any trade open. I got a sell limit though. I was hoping market to retrace a little bit and then open on sell side, but it just keeps shooting down, man. It will be frustrating if I cannot get onto this trade. But am I going to open trade right now? Probably not. I shouldn't be opening any trade right now because market gone down by 260 pips, you know what I mean? So however, if the market close below this low, that's clearly a sell sign. Okay, sell zone. And if it comes around here, all right, and then retrace up a bit, I'm happy to open it. But at this stage, I have no trade. Or if the market goes up from this side, I'll open a sell. Okay, so until then, nothing. Can't do nothing. So there you go. So that's the midweek analysis plus some trade that I closed in front of you. So the basic thing takeaway I would probably say from this video is that look for the long term and you will be able to catch a big movement like this, 600 pips or 400 pips or something like that. So it pays off if you hold the positions. If I actually show you something a bit more interesting, you'll see if I were to trade on 4-hour chart, okay, on pound New Zealand, you'll see something really. Look at this, like this retrace. Even this one, this will probably freak out a lot of people. Oh my god, this going down, this going down. But I actually didn't do anything. I just kept holding. But in this case, market kept making new highs. Because market is actually getting rejected in this area, so there's a really good chance market will probably come down here before it goes up. That's why I closed the position. But if markets continue, that's a good news. That's good news for me because I still got half of my position opened. So we'll see what happened. We'll see what happened. So that's it. This is the midweek update on FX market. Thanks for joining. If you haven't subscribed, why don't you go ahead and subscribe and support the channel, leave a comment, like the video, and turn on the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a video. Alright, thanks for joining. I will see you on Saturday when I will post a end of the week wrap up. Bye bye for now.